Are you tired of your cash sitting around in a savings account earning literally nothing? Meanwhile, the cost of your living expenses have been skyrocketing to the moon. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to explain to you why investing in the stock markets is one of the best ways to combat the rise in cost of living, which is so much better than allowing your money to sit around in a savings account. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Michelle Hung. I'm an author and founder of The Sassy Investor. I've taught over 1,000 students and clients how to invest in the stock markets and build a lifetime of wealth. And if you're wondering why the stock markets, aren't they risky and don't people lose all their money in it? Well, yes, people that treat it like a casino. People lose money because they speculate and gamble on stocks they have no clue about and they have no strategy. Otherwise, investing in the stock markets is one of the easiest ways to make money. And when I say easy, I'm talking about true passive income where your money makes money for you while you eat, sleep, and go about your day. But how does this combat inflation? Well, when the cost of inputs like gas, transportation, and raw materials go up, this will increase the cost of stuff that you and I purchase. Companies will try to pass on these increases to their consumers, which will then be reflected in their revenues and then ultimately their bottom line, which benefits investors. Theoretically speaking, that is. Over time, as the cost of things have gone up from bread, Big Macs to gas, your $1 still remains $1. It's just a matter of how much that $1 buys. That's called purchasing power. When money sits in your savings account and it doesn't grow in value, you lose purchasing power. Whereas if you invest your money and it grows more than the rate of how much the cost of living goes up, that's how you combat inflation. The stock markets have been able to outpace the rate of inflation because, as I explained earlier, the cost of all the goods gets passed on to customers like you and I. And you're already spending all this money on all the companies, making them rich. So you might as well get some of it back. That's what investing in the stock markets is all about. So if you want to start getting some of that money back from companies you're already spending money on, put your money to work while you sleep, and most importantly, making sure your money does not lose value to inflation, then I highly recommend you join me in the Sassy Investing Challenge, where you will learn how to invest your first $50. We'll be talking about low-cost funds, we'll be talking about individual stocks, and how easy it is to buy your first investment. All you have to do is click the link below, and we can start building your six-figure portfolio.